Welcome everyone. Received a box in the mail today. Oh man. From Muffler Delete 101. Oh man. Yeah. Muffler, I don't know what to say, buddy. I don't know what, I just don't even know what to say. Just, I don't know. I've tried to sit and think about it and try to come up with a way to express how all of this feels and what goes on here in this community, and that anybody would ever want to build and send me a saw. And Muffler has sent me 3 saws. He sent me the caster 330. Muffler was the first one to send a saw. The caster 330 right back there. And the Super Stack Pro Mac 1010, yeah. And now this one. It's crazy. It's just crazy. I can't even explain it. But I want everybody to know that I truly appreciate it, and that people would even think, you know, that thought would even cross their mind to want to build a saw for me. It's unexplainable. So anyway, let's get into this beauty. If you haven't checked out Muffler Delete 101's channel, go check it out, please. And yeah, he's got lots of good builds. Working on home lights, putting big pipes on home lights. Working on Farmer Tech, Holzforma, whatever you want to call them. Husqvarna's, Stills. He's running them all. Pioneers. 1200A. Oh yeah. Yeah. Go check out Muffler. And go check out the videos on this saw. I'm looking forward to it. I'm getting in it. We're getting in it, Muffler. I appreciate you, man. I do. And it's going to be a blast. It's going to be a blast at Tazapalooza. I really hope you can make it, and I hope. I really do. I look really forward to it. Dude, stop. Oh, Muffler, you rock, brother. Stop. It says, do not return to store if label is removed. Call 1-800-416-9141. 844. I'll have to look at the letters on to see what that says. Kenny, enjoy the saw. Feed it 40-1 garlic oil. She likes that. If it blows up, I have the parts to fix it. Send it back. We will fix it. Let her eat. Love, Muffin. Oh, Muffler, that's perfect. That is perfect. I'm definitely gonna put that in a frame. Oh, gosh. This is crazy. This is just totally crazy. Yeah, what's this for? Yeah. Oh gosh, Muffler. Still got sawdust on it. I love it. I love it. Oh yeah, buddy. Let's get in this. Let's get to this dandy. Stop. Do not remove. Awesome. Okay, here we go. What's this? This must be an air filter for a 250 or something, huh? Or home light? Big old filter? Yeah, buddy. That'll be handy. Thanks, man. Did he sneak anything else in there? I don't think so. All right. Let's get in this bad boy. Got it wrapped up good, Muffler. Okay, that's the way that goes. Oh, he's got good. That must be Gorilla Tape, huh? Yeah, that acts like Gorilla Tape. I better put this thing away. Where hurt myself. Yeah, that's got to be Gorilla Tape. I don't know if they make duct tape like that anymore. That tough. That's a pretty cool bag. Birdseed. Triple layer. I love it. Oh my gosh. I can't believe this, Muffler. Oh, look at that. Yeah, man. Look at that. Oh, man. Oh, gosh. Muffler. Buddy, look at this. Okay. I know it's kind of, I know it, whatever. Anyway, this is my first ever Echo. This is the first Echo I've ever owned, right here. And Muffler Delete 101 thought enough of me to build this saw for me. So my first Echo chainsaw is a hot rod, mufflerized hot rod. With an iron horse style muffler, which I have never run either. I've never run one of these. I've never tried one. I've never built one. I've never run one. I've never even seen one of these in person. One of these mufflers. I don't even know as though, I'm pretty sure I've never even seen one of these saws in person. No joke. No joke. Unreal, Muffler. Let's get to know this thing just a little bit. It's got a cool filter. Super cool filter. Okay, so that goes in there like that. If there's any tricks to it, we're gonna learn them together right here. There's that. It's got a manual oiler too. Muffler, I remember you saying something about that. That is so cool. Old school. Old school manual override. That clicks on there. CS670 Echo. Let's go. Oh man, I can't wait to hear this thing. Oh. Okay, there's the choke. There's the on switch. Up is on, I'm assuming. That's the choke. And it has automatic throttle lock for high idle. Okay. I know enough about it now. Let's run it. Oh, another nice shop towel. Oh yeah. That's dry. Muffler, you didn't have to, you could have just put paper towels in here, buddy. These are nice shop rags. Oh. Here we go. I'm not stopping this video. I'm not stopping it. Give that a quick shake. It's got a good sized fuel tank on it, buddy. Should we put some right in the carburetor? Good old STP bar oil, huh? Thanks, Coach. Thanks for turning me on to that stuff, buddy. Oh, it's great. This is unreal. Have to find me a little chain for that beauty. Not necessarily. All right. Should we squirt some right in the carburetor? Or should we yard on it? I say we yard on it. Okay. This came from Pennsylvania. We got fire. Oh, buddy. Sounds awesome, huh? Holy smokes, buddy! I know there's no bar on it or nothing yet, but she's got some throttle response. Okay. Oiler works. Oh yeah. We're We're going to put a bar on this thing right now. I don't even care how long this video is. I don't even care. We're putting a bar on it. 28-inch bar. It's got the bar plate on it. Oiler's working. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I don't even care how long this video is. .28-inch lightweight, full house, hand file. Awesome clutch. It's got the clutch with the rim sprocket on it. Yeah, buddy. This saw might just stay just like this. I think that's going to work just fine. This, I think it's going to work just fine. There's a little extra play in the bar. But I don't think it's going to hurt a thing. Not one bit. And if it starts to give us fits, well, you all know we can make an adapter for it, right? Oh man, that pipe sounds killer. That might be, oh man. Oh my gosh. I might just start building them. Oh man. I better make sure those are tight. Right? I like that muffler. I'm digging it. Ooh, it's hot. Let's see. Gotta make sure I get everything on there right. Like I said, I've never owned an Echo. I don't know nothing about them. So you're seeing it for the first time right here. Okay. Okay, that's gotta go. Oh, it sounds killer, don't it?
It's pretty snappy. It comes in the house, I'm like, what is that? Muffler?
Yeah, it's a muffler like Iron Horse builds. I never run one. I never even seen one. Seen them on video.
In real life?
Nope. Okay, so we're gonna have to. Oh, sorry, I'm gonna have to pause it. I'm gonna have to pause the video. Doggone it. That can't be turned over either. I gotta pause it. Sorry. I gotta get this bar to fit. We'll be right back. Guaranteed. I'm just hitting pause. Okay, what I had to do is I had to take this fine tool. Because this is a Husky mount bar. But I've made it to where it'll feed bar oil down through the rails and fit all different kinds of saws. Anyway, I had to make this hole, I had to oval out this hole some more so it would fit on the adjuster peg. Okay, so that's where we're at now. We're there. We are there. That's better. Man, that thing sounds pretty stinking wicked.
I don't know what that was. Like, that don't sound normal. You're gonna run that thing out in this weather?
Absolutely. Absolutely. Let's see. Oh yeah. Oh, she's a dandy. Whew.
Are you a little excited there?
On switch on. still running. Oh yeah. Sorry about the wind noise. Oh, Stumpy's looking a little rough. Oh yeah, buddy. Yeah. Runs nice, brother. Leaned her out a little too much, I think maybe I did. Oh yeah, buddy. Oh my gosh, first echo ever. And it runs so good. Oil's like crazy, man. That oiler is nuts. Yeah, we definitely got to get a sharper chain on it than that. I know that chain's all ratty, but it's on there and it works. That's how it's probably going to end up with a 30-inch bar. That pipe's sick, man. Nice work, Muffler. Nice work. We might have to look into that brake a little bit. Oh, man. Thanks, Muffler. I appreciate it, buddy. I really, really do.
She's messy.
Oh, look at all that oil. That's absolutely nuts. Oh my gosh. That's awesome. Right on, everybody. I got to get off here so I can get this video up. All right, we love y'all. Take care and be safe. TazMan is rolling. Don't forget, go check out Muffler Delete 101. Yeah, this saw rocks, Muffler. Wow. Thanks, brother. We'll see you on the next one.